Downloading Capcut Pro in the Android mobile phone is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do it properly. So first thing first, what you have to do is to open up the Play Store. So once you have opened up the Play Store, go ahead and click on the search button and go ahead and click on the search icon on the top of the screen. Simply search in Capcut. So once you have searched in Capcut, simply install it. If you haven't done it already, so if you have already installed it, simply open it up. So once you will open the Capcut mobile application, you will have this Pro icon on the top of it. So simply go ahead and join the Pro. So once you click on the Pro, you will see different sort of the plans. For example, monthly, yearly, 1 year, 1 month, and all that plans. So simply you can select the plan that you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy this plan for the 1,900 rupees, all I have to do is to simply click on the purchase button. So here what I have to do is to simply select in the card details that I have put in my mobile phone. And if I select the card, it will simply deduct the money from my account and the subscription will be on. So that way you can get the CapCut Pro subscription. I hope you found this video helpful.